Starting around 19 October 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is genuinely huge. Velo explicitly has a really all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358. This certainly makes Velo really positioning at 593 in the digital money market, or so they basically thought. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Velo sort of be truly worth in 2023? Is Velo a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an every practical sense, enormous way? Will Velo cost basically outperform its unequaled certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost by and large is supposed to truly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.003, the normal for the most part least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to truly be $0.003, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.003. Velo value estimate August 2023, the normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo could explicitly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.002, which truly is very huge. Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is determined to really be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.003 in an especially large manner. The Velo value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $0.003, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an every practical sense, significant way. Velo value conjecture October 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could really go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. Velo could in every practical sense be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $0.003, with the very least expected cost of $0.003, or so they truly thought. Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the very greatest cost for Velo could especially stretch around $0.003, showing how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost essentially is supposed to sort of cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003. The normal kind of least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be $0.003, which fundamentally is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 generally is $0.003, with a very normal cost of $0.003 in a huge manner. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003, so Velo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo most certainly is gauged to in every practical sense be at around an especially least worth of $0.003, which basically is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 explicitly is $0.003 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.003, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Velo kind of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been truly diminished by 1.94% in its ongoing worth, exhibiting how Velo truly has an in every way that really matters all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358, amazingly. In the event that we generally look at the especially current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down, showing the way that Velo could sort of exchange around a very most extreme worth of $0.003, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Velo really was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, which explicitly is very critical. Velo in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for especially all expectations and purposes potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute. So will Velo value sort of outperform its unequaled high, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo sort of diminished by 61.745%, wiping out an incredible really normal amount of $0.004 from its certainly current worth, showing how Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo truly is estimated to in a real sense be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.003, which in a real sense is very huge. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of good fundamentally purchase a valuable open door for fast venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 13.96%, and the cost generally circled from a for the most part least essentially normal cost of $0.003 to kind of greatest kind of normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days in an all things considered huge way. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Velo certainly has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, we really imagine that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, showing how these for the most part are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a fundamentally significant manner. As per the barely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo especially is expanded from 4 months in a fundamentally significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, in every practical sense, further appearance how as per the actually the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo by and large is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is up by 12.92%, with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0.002, and the extremely least typical cost of most certainly was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, showing the way that the Velo value worth can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.003, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which truly is very critical. Velo value conjecture 20